everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my Dailylook premium style box to open and share with you guys. Now I have 9 whole items in this box, so we are going to get straight into this video. But how I like to do it is I will split the screen in half, and on one side of the screen you will see me try it on. On the other side I will give you all the product information, price, etc., etc. If you have never tried Dailylook and you would like to try it after you watch this video, I will leave a link down below and you will get your styling fee waived off your first box, which is $40. So that means you will get a box sent to you for free for the first time, and you will get my stylist, Caitlin, but anything you keep, of course, you got to pay for. But that's it. I will leave all the rest of the information in the description box. So let's go ahead and let's get straight into the first item. Now, the first piece out of the box is this, and you will not be seeing me in this. I tried every way to get this on, but it just did not fit me right. It's a 100% head to toe snake print jumpsuit from Dakota for $110. And it was that polyester, and it has no stretch, and it was real tight right on my thighs. Now, when you sign up for this service, they send you a preview of the items for you to try on. And I almost declined this, and now I wish, of course, I would have declined it. But at the same time, I want to step out of my comfort zone sometimes and try different things. But unfortunately, this one did not work. I think if you are looking for a statement piece, this is definitely a statement piece though. But unfortunately, it was just too ill-fitting for me. Okay, so now we're going to the second piece. And this second piece is a GILI faux wrap dress. And it is a midi length, which means it comes down to like past your knees. And it is a faux wrap dress for $95. Okay, I thought about declining this one too because I have a lot of faux wrap dresses, but at the same time, you never know. You always might need another one, and I like the pattern on this one when I saw it, but I'm probably not going to end up keeping this. It's all right, but for $95, I wasn't in love with it, and I'm not keeping anything for $95 that I'm not absolutely in love with. But as you can see, it is a faux wrap dress. It ties right here on the side. You don't have to worry about the wind blowing it open. It's a lovely overall faux wrap dress. But I would definitely, if I was going to purchase a faux wrap dress right now, I would definitely want a 3/4 sleeve or a long sleeve. It's a short sleeve. So for that reason, this is probably not going to be a keeper either. Let's go ahead and get into the next piece. And this piece, oh, this was like heaven when I tried this on. This is from Search for Sanity, cowl neck, long sleeve top in the color olive for $78. Now, I could see me wearing this kind of top through the winter. I'm in Ohio, so a nice cozy sweater like this is awesome. It was like so soft. It just felt like a little baby blanket wrapped around my skin. I wanted to look at the material and tell you guys, because whatever this blend is, it was beautiful. It's 50% acrylic, 48 rayon, and 2% spandex. So I don't know, it just felt lovely on. I like a cowl neck. I'm not a turtleneck person. I do like a turtleneck sometimes if I'm going for a special look, but more than not, I would use a cowl neck because I love it. I think it gives like a nice, almost like you're wearing a scarf, and then you could wear another scarf and give a nice layering look. It came down long enough. I like how it come up on the side a little bit. So overall, this was a definite contender. And I paired that with these Democracy Absolution jeggings, and the price on these were $78. Now, I love Democracy Absolution jeans. But the only problem with this one is the color. I didn't care for the gray. I have a lot of light colored jeans right now, so I'm looking more for dark. And I had to roll them up because they were super, super long, and I had to roll them twice actually. So for that reason, I'm not going to end up keeping these, but they were Democracy Absolution jeans. If none of you ladies out there have these kind of Democracy Absolution jeans, I would definitely recommend you go try them on. So comfortable. They have changed my life. I am a big fan of these jeans. So let's move on to the next item, and that is this one. Now, I don't know if this is a snake animal print. It looks like a snake animal print to me. Let me hold it up real close to the camera for you. But you guys let me know. That was my impression of this. Now, excuse me. Like I said, the head to toe snake print, it didn't fit me properly anyway, but still it was just too much for my personality, a little bit too bold, but this is definitely more my style. I like one piece. I can work with this, and I thought this was a lovely blouse. This is Veronica M long sleeve surplus blouse for $85. Now, I just loved it. Had these little ties right here. I show you in part of the video. You can tie it or just leave it open, pretty much like this kind of neckline right here. It's up to you. I just love the color in it. I love the little slight of blue in it. I felt it went good with a pair of dark jeans, which is coming up next. Really enjoyed this top. I thought it was feminine, flirty, but not over the top too much. So this is a definite contender for me too. Okay, now the next piece is these, and spoiler alert, these are staying with me. These are not going back in the box. These are not even a contender. These are, I'm keeping these. Democracy Itty Bitty boot cut jeans in the color indigo for $78. This is what I was looking for. I want a really dark pair of jeans, and I just love these jeans from head to toe. They were so comfortable in the waistband. They have that Democracy waistband that's very stretchy, so it doesn't cut into you. I'm just a big fan of that. I love the dark color. I love the way it fit. I have nothing negative to say about these jeans. I put these on, and ladies, you know, when you put on a pair of jeans and you're like, yep, they're staying with me. I'm done. Thank you very much. That was these jeans for me. So I'm happy to get these. These were definitely the hit of the box. So yeah. Okay, now let me move on to the next item, and that was this Daniel Rainn top, which besides Democracy jeans, Daniel Rainn tops I'm a big fan of too. And this is a Daniel Rainn floral print split neck top in the color red for $74. Now, I love the color. I love a red. It's very bright. I love a floral too, so I love everything about it. I love the neckline. The only thing I didn't care for, and this is not going to be a contender for me, and I'm going to send this one back, is the sleeve length. I just personally, for my arms, I don't like where it hit me, but it fit nicely in the body overall. It's a lovely blouse. Just personally is not flattering, I believe, on me. Okay, so now here's another piece like the snake print jumpsuit that when my stylist sent me the preview, I was kind of unsure about, and I'm like, well, I'm going to keep it on there. I'm not going to deny the piece. I want to try it on, because that is part of the fun of getting these style boxes, is to try things on that you would probably walk past in the store. And so this is a cross front chunky knit sweater, black multi for $108. Now, I'm undecided. I kind of liked it. When I try it on, I left it open, and that most likely is the way I would wear it. I would leave it like just with hanging open. But this neckline right here, it snaps in two places. You snap it right here, and then you come over and you snap it here. And it gives you that same kind of cow neck look that that green shirt was giving. The arms are more fitted, and I have these nice little front pockets here. It does split open in the front. I can honestly say I do not have any sweater that looks anything like this. And I tried it on, and I don't know if it's unique good or unique bad. So you guys leave in the comment section what you think about this sweater one way or the other. I would love to hear. because I was on the fence. One minute I liked it, and then one minute I'm like, oh, I don't know. So definitely let me know what you think about this sweater. Okay, now here's the last item out, and another Daniel Rainn top, which I love my Daniel Rainn tops. And this is navy multi for $74. I just loved everything about this top. There's nothing bad to even say about this. It has this lovely crochet pattern right here at the top. It's like this shirt right here. As you can see, I'm a fan of these kind of tops. It ties right there. It is see-through right there, but if you wear a nude color bra, it won't show. It is in navy. The sleeves are flutter. In one part of the video, I show you, it does have an extra piece of material sewed in under the arm, so if you raise your arm, you're not going to see your bra at all, so I enjoyed that about it. But the only thing about this is I have a shirt super similar already to this, but it's black background instead of blue, so that's, I'm going to have to think about it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and do the wrap up. I am keeping the itty bitty bootcut jeans from Democracy 100%. That's not even a debate for me. So that's $78. So I'm definitely keeping that piece. Now I'm going to have to go over my budget. I'm hoping to keep one more piece. And this is where, if I do decide to keep one more piece, what piece would you guys keep out of this? You know I love this shirt, but I already have something similar. But I really, you know, when you like something, you like something. So this is a definite contender for me. The other piece, I'm undecided about this one. Definitely let me know if enough of you say you should really think about this, or just shoot it down and let me move on with it, because I'm so undecided about that piece. This piece is not a contender for me. I just didn't care for the arm length on that for me. And as you know, the Democracy jeans, they're staying with me, so we don't even need to talk about this. Now the other piece I really truly liked, and I think looked good with the dark wash jeans, was this, I'm thinking it's a snake print top, I'm not really sure. So you guys let me know what you think about that. The gray jeans, I like Democracy jeans, but I'm just not looking for that right now. This top I appreciated. I thought was very soft and comfortable, so that's a contender. The dress is a no, and of course the infamous head to toe snake print jumpsuit is a no also. So the jeans are a keeper. So I would like to know what you think of the chunky sweater, and if I do decide to keep a piece, what of these three pieces do you think I should keep? The green mock neck turtle, the mock neck turtle, is that so? Yeah, that's what it's called. The snake print top, or the blue floral top. And also let me know one way or the other what you thought of the chunky sweater. I'm very curious. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have some more coming up. I have a stitch fix coming. Yeah, so I hope you guys have a lovely day, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.